this whole thing to the base 2 minus 2 is 0, or log of this whole thing to the base 2 is 2, or 3 plus log to the base 3 of 4 plus log to the base 4 of x minus 1 is 4. 4 is 2 square. I'm taking this 2 that side and putting it as 2 square. I can take this 3 this side, 4 minus 3 equal to 1. I'll remove this log to the base 3 completely. Means there's remaining 4 plus log to the base 4 of x minus 1 is 3 power 1, which is 3. Or log of x minus 1 to the base 4 is minus 1. Or x minus 1 is 4 power minus 1, which is 1 by 4. Or x is 1 plus 1 by 4, which is 5 by 4. Also, t-tag question, but you ask for 4x. X is 5 by 4, 4x is 5.